Hi, I'm Shyam.
Hi, I'm Jay.
Welcome to our channel.
It's called Two Men and a Kitchen.
At Two Men and a Kitchen, it's all about simplifying and giving you the best that we can offer. Now, I'm going to focus on Sri Lankan food, and from a regular curry to a maluma to a polsambol to the complicated, beef curries and chicken curries, the prawns, you name it.
I'm going to teach you how to cook intercontinental cuisine, but with a little bit of a Sri Lankan touch because everybody loves spice, from your basic spaghetti, how to fry chicken, and of course, being Filipino, I'll teach you how to cook proper chicken adobo. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel, and click and ring that notification bell to get the latest from Two Men and a Kitchen.
We're also available on Facebook at Two Men and a Kitchen, right over here. So just gotta like, share, and subscribe.
Hey, don't forget Instagram, it's also here.
Instagram too, Two Men and a Kitchen. So see you soon. Booyah! Arriba.